Okay, last time we fixed the text input area. It's time for us to now fix the text area. Sorry, text input. Text area also has the same problem. So if I make a delete and click away, that just sort of resets for us, which is not ideal. Plus, I noticed that we still have this uh, this text input still printing out what it is. We need to fix that too. Let's just go ahead and do that now. And then we'll go ahead and redo the same thing to edit description that we did, sorry, to this text area that we did to this text input. All right, so first of all, before I forget, let's go to text input. Here's that state, and we'll delete you. That'll make you go away. Then second, we have our text area. So we do have an initial value here. So we're going to want to take that. We now want to get a state. So we have our state equals, we'll do a use state, and we'll do a string new, not press page down on my keyboard. Okay. Sorry, I don't need that there. I can just pass in new as the function, and it's going to call that automatically, and then we get our state. Okay, so there's that. We also need to know if we've loaded or not. So that is like has loaded. It's going to be another use state, and you will be a function because we're going to start with false. All right, so given that, inside of here, we're going to move in the state. So we'll clone you in and then set you to be this change. So we also have to clone you. And then we'll do state.set. It's the change. Okay. That should be good now. Let us continue on. Okay, so then finally, we have the use effect. So we're going to do this in a giant block here. So first of all, what are the things that we need to bring in? Well, we need our state. And we need our has loaded. Let's see. Anything else that we need? Oh yes, we need the value here. And so we have this is the prop. So we don't necessarily trust this anymore. So I'm just not going to use you there. I'm going to grab you here. And we're going to clone it while it still has an option. Okay, so now let's set our use effect. All right, so inside of here, what do we care about? We want to check to see if our okay, so if we haven't loaded, so if not destructured has loaded, okay. And so if we haven't loaded it yet, and the state is an empty string, so that would be a state, a destructured state that is empty. Okay, so if we haven't loaded and state is empty and value is sum. So if all of these things are true, then it's time for us to now set state. So state.set to be the value unwrap. And we're going to now also set has loaded to be true. So that way that won't hit us anymore. And then we need to, at the end of the use effect, we just return a cleanup closure, which will be that. Let's see, Boolean cannot be referenced. Oh, bool can't be dereferenced. Yeah, I forgot. You can auto dereference with just a dot. So there we go with that. Now this value, in their text area, what we're setting for is going to be the state now. So we're going to have value equals a dereferenced, sorry, yeah, it's going to be dereferenced state, and then we clone it. So it's really going to be state.deref, and we'll clone you. Okay, so then you're unhappy. Oh, right, we need to do a move here. Okay, no errors. Let's see if this works. Can I now change you? Yeah, and that works. Okay, so then description is set. Okay, so we're doing, and then I should be able to make you go completely away. And now we have empty string. Okay, so perfect. Exactly what we wanted. And that is fixing the text area. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.